What's up, budget nomads? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling one of the biggest myths in the digital nomad space, that you need millions of followers to make money on social media. I'm here to tell you that's complete nonsense. I know people making $500 to $2,000 per month with just 3,000 followers. I know creators earning their entire nomad income with audiences under 10,000. And I'm going to show you exactly how they do it and how you can too. Here's the truth. Follower count is a vanity metric. What actually matters: engagement, niche focus, and strategy. A small, engaged audience in the right niche is worth way more than a million random followers who don't care about what you offer. So if you've been putting off monetizing your social media because you think your audience is too small, this video is going to change your mind. By the end, you'll have a clear roadmap to start generating income from social media, whether you have 500 followers or 50,000. Let's dive in. Let me start by destroying this myth once and for all. Bigger is not always better. The micro-influencer advantage. Brands and businesses are increasingly turning to micro-influencers, creators with 1,000 to 100,000 followers. Why? Because engagement rates are higher, audiences are more targeted, and conversions actually happen. Think about it. If you have 5,000 followers who are all budget travelers genuinely interested in your content, that's more valuable than 500,000 random followers who barely interact. The math that changes everything. Let's say you have 3,000 Instagram followers. Your engagement rate is solid. About 5%, which means 150 people actively engage with your posts. If you recommend a product with an affiliate link and just 5% of those engaged followers make a purchase worth $50 and you earn a 10% commission, that's $37.50 from one post. Do that twice a week? That's $300 a month. Add some sponsored content, a small digital product, maybe some consulting calls. Suddenly, you're at $800 to $1,200 a month from a 3,000 person audience. Quality over quantity. I've seen creators with 100,000 followers struggle to make sales, while others with 5,000 hyper-engaged followers build thriving businesses. The difference? Niche focus, trust, and authentic connection. Your goal isn't to be famous. Your goal is to be useful to a specific group of people who trust your recommendations. Before we get into monetization strategies, you need clarity on two things: your niche and your platform. Finding your niche. Your niche is the intersection of 1. What you know, your experience, skills, or expertise. 2. What you enjoy, topics you can talk about endlessly. 3. What people need, problems you can solve. For budget nomads, winning niches include budget travel to specific regions, Southeast Asia on $30 a day, cheap Europe travel, remote work tips, freelancing, finding remote jobs, productivity hacks, destination guides, hidden gems, local experiences, cost breakdowns, gear and packing, minimalist travel, budget gear reviews, language learning, how you learn Spanish while traveling, visa and location independence, how to stay long-term, visa hacks, sustainable or slow travel, eco-friendly budget travel, long-term stays. The tighter your niche, the easier it is to monetize. Travel is too broad. Solo female budget travel in Latin America is a niche you can own. Choosing your platform. Don't try to be everywhere. Pick one primary platform and master it. Instagram. Great for visual storytelling, destination content, and building personal brand. Strong for affiliate marketing and sponsored posts. TikTok. Fastest growth potential. Short-form tips, hacks, and behind-the-scenes content perform well. Younger audience, high virality. YouTube. Best for long-term sustainable income. Ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate links. Takes longer to grow, but compounds over time. X, formerly known as Twitter. Excellent for building authority, connecting with other creators, and driving traffic to products or services. Fast engagement. Pinterest. Underrated for blog traffic and affiliate income. Visual search engine. Great for evergreen content. My recommendation? Start with Instagram or TikTok for quick growth and engagement, then add YouTube for long-term income stability. You can't monetize what you don't have, so let's talk about how to build that engaged audience quickly. Content that converts followers. Educational content outperforms everything. Teach people something specific. How I travel Mexico for $800 a month. 5 mistakes first-time digital nomads make. Best budget SIM cards in Southeast Asia. Behind-the-scenes content builds connection. Show your actual nomad life, the good and the messy. People follow people, not perfect highlight reels. Listicles and carousels get saved and shared. 10 cheapest countries for digital nomads, or my $20 per day Bali budget breakdown. Instagram carousels and TikTok series crush. The posting strategy. Consistency beats perfection. Post 4 to 5 times per week minimum. If you're on TikTok or Reels, daily is ideal. Hook in the first 3 seconds. I spent 6 months in Bali for less than $4,000. Here's how I did it. Grab attention immediately or people scroll. Call to action every post. Save this for your trip. Follow for more budget travel tips. Comment your favorite cheap destination. Train your audience to engage. Engagement is a two-way street. Respond to every comment in the first hour. This boosts your post in the algorithm and builds community. Engage with similar accounts. Spend 20 minutes daily commenting thoughtfully on other creators' posts in your niche. Visibility brings followers. DM strategy. When someone new follows you, send a genuine DM. Hey, thanks for following. What's your dream destination? Start conversations. Build relationships. Use hashtags in SEO. Instagram, use 10 to 15 specific hashtags. Mix high traffic like hashtag budget travel with niche tags like Bali budget or nomad lifestyle. TikTok, use 3 to 5 relevant hashtags. Optimize your captions with keywords for search. YouTube, keyword research is everything. Use TubeBuddy or vidIQ to find searchable topics. Pinterest, keyword-rich descriptions and board names drive traffic. All right, here's the money section. 7 ways to monetize social media without needing a massive following. Strategy 1, affiliate marketing. This is the easiest entry point. You recommend products you actually use, people buy through your link, you earn a commission. Best affiliate programs for nomads. Amazon Associates, 1 to 10% commission on everything. Link to gear, books, travel accessories. Booking.com, up to 4% commission on hotel bookings. Skyscanner or Kiwi.com, earn from flight and accommodation bookings. Travel insurance, Safety Wing or World Nomads, high commissions, $20 to $50 per sale. VPN services, NordVPN, ExpressVPN, $50 to $100+ per sale. Hostels, Hostel World, 5 to 7% commission. Gear brands, many outdoor and tech companies have affiliate programs. How to promote without being salesy. Create resource posts or what's in my pack content. Link products naturally in captions, stories, or video descriptions. Be transparent. This is an affiliate link. I earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. Expected earnings with 3,000 followers, $100 to $500 a month, depending on niche and promotion frequency. Strategy 2, sponsored content. Brands pay you to create content featuring their products or services. And you don't need 100,000 followers to land sponsors. How to find sponsors with a small audience. Start local. Reach out to hostels, tour companies, restaurants, and places you're visiting. Offer to create content in exchange for free stays or experiences. This builds your portfolio. Then approach brands directly. Email them. I run a budget travel account with 4,000 engaged followers interested in your niche. I'd love to collaborate on content featuring your product. What to charge? As a general rule, $10 per 1,000 followers for an Instagram post. So with 3,000 followers, start at $30 to $50 per post. TikToks might be $20 to $40. YouTube integrations, $100 to $300, depending on views. Platforms that connect micro-influencers with brands, Aspire IQ, Tribe Group, Heapsy, Influence.co, and CoalSquare. Expected earnings with 5,000 followers, $200 to $800 a month with 2 to 4 sponsored posts. Strategy 3, digital products. Create once, sell forever. This is my favorite model. Digital products that sell. Travel guides, detailed PDFs on specific destinations, $10 to $30 each. Packing lists and templates, budget spreadsheets, itinerary planners, $5 to $15. Presets and filters, Lightroom or photo editing presets, $10 to $25. Ebooks, the ultimate guide to budget travel in region, $20 to $40. Courses, mini courses on finding remote work, travel hacking, $50 to $200. Notion templates, travel planners, budget trackers, $10 to $20. How to sell. Use platforms like Gumroad, Stan Store, or Sellfy. Link in your bio. Promote in stories and posts. Create lead magnets, free guides to build an email list, then pitch paid products. Expected earnings with 2,000 engaged followers, $100 to $400 a month after initial setup.
Strategy 4. Services and coaching. Your expertise has value. Offer one-on-one services. Services budget nomads can offer. Travel consulting. Help people plan trips, $50 to $150 per session. Budget coaching. Teach people how to save for long-term travel, $75 to $200 per session. Social media consulting. Help other travelers grow their accounts, $100 to $300. Photography services, local shoots for tourists or businesses, $100 to $500. Language tutoring or conversation practice ties back to video 33. How to promote. Regular posts showcasing your expertise. DM me if you want help planning your Southeast Asia trip. Simple as that. Expected earnings, 2 to 5 clients per month at $100 average, $200 to $500 per month. Strategy 5, YouTube ad revenue. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can monetize with ads. Reality check, ad revenue for small channels is modest, $2 to $5 per 1,000 views. CPM varies by niche, but it's passive income that compounds. A channel getting 10,000 views per month might earn $30 to $50 from ads alone. Not life-changing, but combined with affiliate links and sponsors, it adds up. Expected earnings with 2,000 subscribers and consistent posting, $50 to $200 per month from ads plus more from other monetization. Strategy 6, TikTok Creator Fund or Reels bonuses. Both TikTok and Instagram occasionally offer creator funds or bonus programs for viral content. The TikTok Creator Fund, you need 10,000 followers and 100,000 video views in the last 30 days. Payouts are small, $0.02 to $0.04 per 1,000 views, but it's passive income. Instagram Reels bonuses, invite-only programs that pay based on views. Payouts vary wildly. Don't rely on this as primary income, but it's a nice bonus when you qualify. Strategy 7, Patreon or membership community. Offer exclusive content to your most engaged fans for $5 to $15 per month. What to offer? Behind-the-scenes content, early access to videos or posts, monthly Q&A sessions, exclusive budget breakdowns and tips, private community group. Even 20 members at $10 per month is $200 per month recurring income. Platforms, Patreon, Buy Me a Coffee, Ko-Fi, or Instagram or Facebook subscriptions. Let's put this all together with real numbers. Small account, 3,000 to 5,000 followers, monthly income potential. Affiliate marketing, $150 to $300. 1 to 2 sponsored posts, $100 to $200. Digital product sales, $100 to $200. 1 to 2 consultation calls, $100 to $200. Total, $450 to $900 per month. Medium account, 10,000 to 20,000 followers, monthly income potential. Affiliate marketing, $300 to $600. 3 to 4 sponsored posts, $400 to $800. Digital product sales, $200 to $500. Coaching services, $300 to $500. YouTube ad revenue, $100 to $300. Total, $1,300 to $2,700 per month. Key insight: you don't need to do everything. Pick 2 to 3 monetization methods that fit your strengths and double down. An account with 5,000 followers focused on affiliate marketing and digital products can absolutely hit $800 to $1,000 per month. Let me save you some time and headaches. Here are the mistakes I see constantly. Mistake 1. Promoting everything. Affiliate link overload kills trust. Only recommend products you genuinely use and believe in. Your reputation is worth more than a $5 commission. Mistake 2. Ignoring email lists. Social media platforms own your audience. Build an email list from day one. Offer a free guide in exchange for emails. This is where real money gets made long-term. Mistake 3, inconsistent posting. You can't build an audience if you disappear for weeks. Batch create content, schedule posts, show up consistently. Mistake 4, not tracking what works. Use analytics. Which posts get the most saves, comments, link clicks? Double down on what works. Cut what doesn't. Mistake 5, waiting until you're ready. You don't need 10,000 followers to start monetizing. Start now. Learn as you go. Every successful creator started with 0 followers and figured it out along the way. Here's how to turn your small audience into income in the next 3 months. Month 1, foundation. Week 1 to 2, define your niche clearly. Optimize your bio and profile. Week 3 to 4, post 5 times per week, focus on educational content. Engage with 10 accounts daily. Goal, grow by 200 to 500 followers. Start building email list with a free lead magnet. Month 2, build trust and test. Week 5 to 6, continue consistent posting. Start subtly mentioning products you use, affiliate links. Week 7 to 8, create your first digital product, a simple PDF guide or template. Goal, grow another 300 to 500 followers, make your first affiliate commissions, test product interest. Month 3, monetize. Week 9 to 10, launch your digital product, promote in stories and posts. Week 11, reach out to 5 to 10 brands for collaboration. Week 12, offer 1 to 2 consultation spots. Analyze what's working. Goal, hit $300 to $500 in combined income and identify your best monetization channel. By the end of 90 days, you should have multiple income streams generating steady, if modest, revenue, and you'll have the systems in place to scale. Making money from social media without 1 million followers isn't just possible, it's happening every single day for creators who understand this one truth. Value beats vanity metrics. You don't need to be TikTok famous. You need to be useful, consistent, and strategic. So stop waiting for your follower count to hit some arbitrary number. Start monetizing now. Test what works. Refine your approach. Serve your audience genuinely. Whether you have 500 followers or 50,000, there's income potential if you're willing to put in the work. If this video opened your eyes to what's possible with a small audience, hit that like button and subscribe for more budget nomad strategies. Drop a comment below telling me your current follower count and which monetization strategy you're most excited to try. Next up, we're diving into stock market basics for nomads, how to build wealth while traveling without taking crazy risks. You don't want to miss it. Until then, keep creating, keep sharing, and keep living that budget nomad life. Safe travels.